We get the question all the time, how do I remove water spots from my paint or my glass? What I want to answer is, how do we prevent getting water spots in the first place? Now, the first thing to prevent getting water spots on your vehicle, it is not introducing water to the paint or glass. Clean your wheels and tires first, and if you have an engine, clean the engine first as well, and the exhaust tips. So I know that this side of the car is in the shade, okay? So what I'll do is I'll start rinsing this side of the car first. Okay, now that the whole car is rinsed down, including the sunny side, what we want to do is neutralize this water. Foam the sunny side down first, and then we go and we foam the shaded side last. After we wash our car, start in the shade first. Now, the second thing you can utilize to prevent getting water spots is something called a deionizer. Essentially what this does is it removes any of the minerals or contaminants that are in your hard water, giving you a spot-free rinse.